cbse grade 10 geography manufacturing industries. Question number 1. Which one of the following industries is the largest in India? A. Sugar. B. Cotton textile. C. Jute. D. Steel. Answer B. Cotton textile. Second question. Which one of the following location is not necessary to set up an industry? A. Availability of raw material. B. Availability of capital. C. Availability of labor. D. Availability of crops. And the correct answer is availability of. Third question. The first cotton textile mill in India was established in A. Ahmedabad. B. Surat. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. Answer C. Mumbai. Fourth question. Which one of the following industries is a heavy industry? A. Iron and steel. B. Sugar. C. Cotton textile. D. Silk. Answer A. Cotton. Fifth question. Which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? A. Iron and steel. B. Cement. C. Jute. D. Cotton textile. Answer B. Cement. Sixth question. The main raw material for the cotton textile industry is A. Cotton. B. Silk. C. Wool. D. Nylon. Answer A. Cotton. Seventh question. Which state is known as the Manchester of India due to its textile industry? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. Answer A. Gujarat. Eighth question. Which one of the following cities is called the Pittsburgh of India due to its steel plants? A. Bhilai. B. Jamshedpur. C. Rourkela. D. Durgapur. Answer B. Jamshedpur. Ninth question. Which one of the following is a public sector industry in India? A. Tata Steel. B. Reliance Industries. C. Bhilai Steel Plant. D. Birla Cement. Answer C. Bhilai Steel Plant. Tenth question. The first cement plant in India was established in A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. D. Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. 11th question. Which one of the following factors is not responsible for the concentration of industries in a particular area? A. Nearness to markets. B. Availability of labor. C. Favorable climate. D. Availability of water. Answer C. Favorable climate. 12th question. Which one of the following sectors does manufacturing industries belong to? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. Answer B. Secondary. 13th question. Which city is known as information technology industry in India? A. Hyderabad. B. Chennai. C. Bangalore. D. Pune. Answer C. Bangalore. 14th question. Which one of the following industries is known as the backbone of the modern industry? A. Cotton textile. B. Jute. C. Iron and steel. D. Information technology. Answer C. Iron and steel. 15th question. What is the main environment issue caused by the cement industry? A. Air pollution. B. Soil erosion. C. Water scarcity. D. Deforestation. Answer A. Air pollution. 16th question. Which one of the following is the largest producer of jute in India? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. West Bengal. D. Assam. And the correct answer is C. West Bengal. 17th question. Which sector provides raw material to manufacturing industries? A. Primary sector. B. Secondary sector. C. Tertiary sector. D. Quaternary sector. Answer C. Primary sector. 18th question. The iron and steel industry requires which of the following raw material? A. Limestone, coal and iron ore. C. Cotton, coal and iron ore. C. Jute, coal and limestone. D. Cotton, iron ore and limestone. Answer A. Limestone, coal and iron ore. 19th question. What is the major cause of water pollution from industrial waste? A. Solid waste disposal. B. Emission of smoke. D. Discharge of effluents. D. Improper agriculture. Answer C. Discharge of effluents. 20th question. Which industry is considered agro-based? A. Iron and steel. B. Cotton textile. C. Cement. D. Petrochemicals. Answer B. Cotton textile. 21st question. Which one of the following is a basic industry? A. Electronics. B. Iron and steel. C. Food processing. D. Handicrafts. Answer B. Iron and steel. 22nd question. Which industry is the largest consumer of water? A. Cement industry. B. Iron and steel industry. C. Textile industry. D. Petrochemical industry. Answer B. Iron and steel industry. 23rd question. Which of the following countries is the largest producer of crude steel in the world? A. India. B. China. C. Japan. D. USA. And the correct answer is B. China. 24th question. Which of the following energy sources is most commonly used in industries? A. Wind energy, B. Hydroelectricity, C. Coal, D. Solar energy. And the correct answer is C. Coal. Please like 25th question. The golden fiber refers to which of the following? A. Cotton, B. Silk, C. Wool, D. Jute. And the correct answer is D. Jute. Dear students, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more CBSE board examination.